Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into streaming devices for IPTV. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech insights. Let's begin by understanding why the right streaming device is crucial for IPTV. With the right device, you'll enjoy seamless streaming without buffering interruptions. Now, what are the major choices available for IPTV streaming devices? First up, we have the Amazon Fire Stick, known for its amazing features. It's user-friendly, has a powerful processor, and supports voice control features. Next, let's explore the Roku, which offers versatile streaming options. Roku supports various IPTV channels and has a simple, intuitive user interface. Finally, we can't forget about the Apple TV. It's perfect for Apple ecosystem fans. Apple TV integrates smoothly with other Apple devices, enhancing your viewing experience. Now that we know the devices, let's move on to setting them up for IPTV. Start by connecting your device to the HDMI port of your TV. Once connected, switch your TV's input to the corresponding HDMI port. Next, download and install your preferred IPTV application from the device store. Finally, input your IPTV provider's credentials to access your channels easily. We recommend W.Store as the best IPTV provider for uninterrupted streaming.